Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tech Tips by Ramesh YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a question that's probably crossed your mind at some point. Why do most companies only offer a one-year warranty on their products? Whether it's your smartphone, laptop, or even home appliances, that one-year warranty seems to be the standard. But why? Let's break it down. 1. The cost factor. Companies are in the business of making money, and warranties cost them money. A longer warranty means higher costs for repairs, replacements, and customer service. By limiting warranties to 1 year, companies can keep their expenses in check and maintain profitability. 2. Planned obsolescence. Many products are designed with a limited lifespan in mind, a concept known as planned obsolescence. Companies want you to upgrade to the latest model after a few years, and a shorter warranty encourages this cycle. If products lasted forever, companies would sell fewer units over time. 3. Risk management. A one-year warranty is a way for companies to limit their liability. After the first year, the risk of product failure shifts from the manufacturer to the consumer. This reduces the financial burden on companies, especially for products that may have unpredictable lifespans. 4. Consumer behavior. Studies show that most product failures happen within the first year of use. By offering a one-year warranty, companies are covering the period when the product is most likely to fail. After that, they assume that any issues are due to wear and tear or misuse, which they're not responsible for. 5. Competitive pressure. In many industries, offering a one-year warranty has become the norm. Companies that offer longer warranties might gain a competitive edge, but they also risk higher costs. For most businesses, sticking to the industry standard is the safer bet. 6. Legal and regulatory factors. In some regions, consumer protection laws require a minimum warranty period, often around 6. Legal and regulatory factors. In some regions, consumer protection laws require a minimum warranty period, often around 1 year. Companies may not see the need to offer more than what's legally required, especially if their competitors are doing the same. 7. The psychology of warranties. A one-year warranty gives consumers a sense of security without making them expect too much. It's long enough to build trust, but short enough to keep companies from overcommitting. The one-year warranty isn't just a random number. It's a carefully calculated decision based on cost, risk, and consumer behavior. But what do you think? Should companies offer longer warranties, or is 1 year enough? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more insights like this. Thanks for watching,